Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please do subscribe. I will love you forever. We are going to do this kind of sultry date night look with this bold lip. I'm using this new Morphe. It's the 9 in About Last Night palette. Super pretty. I got it at Outre. We are going to go ahead and get right into this tutorial. So after prepping my base with the concealer, I took the color Showtime out of the palette and put it all over my crease with the blending brush. So I did forget to put my tape on, but whenever you have the tape, you really don't have to be neat because the tape is there to save you. You can just put it on there as crazy as you want to. Now with that same blending brush, I'm going to take the color Make Out and put it on top of that Showtime color. Now I'm going to take my small eyeshadow brush with color DJ and put it on my crease, right above where I would cut my crease. Now I'm going to take that same blending brush and blend it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my concealer and cut my crease. Now for my lid color, I'm going to use the color Bottle Service. I'm going to keep packing on the color until it's very pigmented. Now with my blending brush, again, I'm going to take that color DJ and put it in the outer corner and kind of blend it into the bottle service that we put on the lid. Now before removing the tape, I am going to line my eyes. I did learn this trick where when you do that, you get a really sharp line. So this is the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. Okay, so I went off camera to do the other side. Now I'm going to take the color DJ again and put it under my lash line. Now I'm just going to take my gel liner and put this black on my waterline just to really smoke it out. Now this is my new NYX highlighter duo in the color Grind. I used the orange color as like a blush and my gold as the highlight. Now I'm going to go off camera, add lashes, and I'll be back for the final look. Okay guys, so this is your finished look. I put on a wig. Okay. Man, I need to work on it. I want it to go this way so I don't look so wiggish. Okay, so this is your finished look. I will have a new video for you guys on Wednesday. I will try to make it not a cut crease. Every time I say that, though, it always ends up being a cut crease. But I'm gonna work on something different for you guys. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will love you forever. And I will see you back on Wednesday.